So what you can also do is you can easily edit and modify curves that you make inside of GIMP. So to do that, first of all, I'm going to go around onto the curve and let's just go around onto design right here. So once you do that, you can go around and then make out the curve, as you can see here, just like this. Let me just close the curve and there you go. If I were to go around under edit, then what happens is that I get to edit the curve. So I can pull the handle, as you can see right here, and make a few adjustments as I like, just like this. If I were to go around over here, I can go around and move this out, as you can see, just like this as well. So if I were to go around over here and then change this out, you can see that I can change around the curve over here. If I were to go around and hold shift, then I can go around and delete out the curve, as you can see right here. But if I were to click and drag, then I can go around and add the curve over here, just like this as well. So now if I were to go around on to move, then I can simply go around and move up the curve wherever I want. Then if I were to go around under design right here, just like this, then I can go around and then change this out as well. So I can click and drag out the points, as you can see in design mode. Even to edit, if you're on the design mode, you can go around and click and drag out the points that you already have as well. Even if you have, let's say for example, this type of curve right here, you can see that you can go around and add it in. If I were to go around over here and click, and let me just go around onto polygonal curve right here. So let's just go to polygonal, and you can see that I can create a straight polygonal curve right here. So now it goes back to design, and now you can go around and see that you can still edit this out. You can go around onto edit right here, just like this, and then this is what you have. As you can see, you can hold shift and delete it, and you can move around the polygonal curve here and there as well. Let me just go around and disable the polygonal curve right here. And even if it was polygonal, now you can see that you have access to these handles over here, right here. You can go around and pull this out. So let's just go around and go to design over here, and then pull this out right here on from to design. You can go around and pull this out over here, just like this. You can pull this out over here, and then you can go around and hold let's say edit right here. So let's just go around onto edit. Then you can go around, hold shift, and then delete them out as well. And that is how you can edit and modify curves as you like inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.